Today we're going to look at the parabola. A parabola is the path traced out by a point which moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed line is always equal to its distance from a fixed point. So, whenever a ball is thrown into the air, it travels along a path in the shape of a curve called a parabola. So here are some real life examples of a parabola. The McDonald's sign, as you can see, is an example of a parabola. A roller coaster is also an example of a parabola. And a bridge structure is also a structure of a parabola. So first of all, we're going to look at the parts of a parabola. So the fixed line is called direct, here in black. The fixed point F is called the focal point. The vertex lies midway between the direct and the focal point, like so. To get your direct, you must get halfway between the direct and the focal point, and your axis is drawn perpendicular to the direct through the focal point. So first of all, we'll do a question in the locus method. So to set up our question, we'll draw our directs first, like so. We'll draw our axis perpendicular to the directs. Our focal point will be positioned here, F. We will then find our vertex, V, by bisecting between the focal and the direct. So you get your compass tip, you place it on the directs, make sure you go more than halfway, swing either side, like so on the other side. You get a line where the 2 points intersect, you join them up, and here is your vertex V. So we're just going to label them now in different colours. So here we go, V, and then we'll put the focal point in blue. So the next step then is to put lines parallel to the directs. So first of all, we need to put little intersections, even intersections. So we'll go in 2 centimeters. Then you draw lines parallel to the directs or else perpendicular to the axis. So just line straight construction lines. To find the points in the parabola, you place your compass on the directs. You put your compass out to your first distance here after F. You bring it to the focal point and you swing your compass, and where these 2 lines intersect are 2 points on your parabola. And you can do so from all of them. You put your compass here, bring it out, go out to the focal point, intersect the line, mark off your point, say point 1, point 2, point 1, 1, point 2, 2. And last one. Now you can freehand sketch your parabola. Join all the points from V through all the points. And now your parabola is formed. So something to note is the distance straight out from the DRX and straight back to the focal point is the exact same distance, no matter where you go. Same distance from here back to your focal point. So next we're going to draw a parabola using the rectangular method, like so. So we set up a rectangle. We'll say 10 centimeters, and we'll go 13 up. Then we find the midpoint, so it's 5 centimeters. Draw our line up. And then we want to create even strips in our little triangle. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We then want to divide our line here in 4 evenly spaced lines as well. So you went back here, measure 4, you bring the line parallel to the outside. You bring all your lines up to V, the vertex, the top. So you mark off your points. You're then able to get your pen or your pencil and join up all the points up to the vertex. The exact same method is used for the right hand side, so I'll do this quickly. compass, measure 4. So then over till it hits the outside of the rectangle. Join them all, each point back up to the vertex. So the first line, it's this first line here. Second line hits it here. Third line hits it here. And last but not least, hits it here. And we join all the points up together. Your parabola is formed. Thank you for watching.